Hello. Today we'll explore the Brown Stair, also called the Broad Stair, a sensorial material that helps children understand thickness, depth, and visual gradation. This essential Montessori material develops the child's ability to discriminate width through hands-on comparison and precise manipulation. Invite the child to work with the Brown Stair. Demonstrate how to carefully carry each prism using both hands, fingers underneath, thumbs on top, and set them gently on the mat. Begin the activity by finding the largest prism through careful comparison. Show how to place two prisms side by side to visually determine which one is thicker. Place the thickest prism on the far left side of the mat. Then continue the process, finding the next thickest one and arranging them sequentially from largest to smallest. As the prisms are carefully lined up, they gradually create a smooth, visually appealing staircase. Pause and allow the child to observe this beautiful progression and the emerging pattern. To check the work for accuracy, lightly run your fingers down the right edge of the completed staircase. A smooth, continuous slope confirms correct order. Any misalignment becomes immediately obvious. Children are naturally drawn to the changing thickness and the elegant pattern of the Brown Stair. The control of error is ingeniously built into the material itself. Any misalignment instantly breaks the visual harmony. Extensions may include combining the Brown Stair with the pink tower to explore dimension, patterning, and deeper visual comparison, fostering advanced sensorial understanding. The Brown Stair teaches harmony between order and perception, helping the child see the beauty of gradation and balance in the world around them, a fundamental Montessori principle.